Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Like Secrets channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can implement the sales funnel strategy in your affiliate marketing business when you're just getting starting out. And also I'm going to talk about different options that I had when getting starting out with online and why I chose affiliate marketing. And so please make sure you stay till the end. And before we get started, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin with freedomlifesecrets.com, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel and email marketing. If you're interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So probably you know what is affiliate marketing is if you're on this video. So even if you don't know, affiliate marketing is the way you recommend someone's product to all the users, and in return you get paid a certain amount of commission. That is a simple concept of affiliate marketing, and I'll talk about that. But before while starting out with online, like people told me you need to have your own product or you need to sell something online, and you need to have those skills in order to be successful online, all those things that I heard. And what I did was I made a list of things like how I can actually get started with online business. I'm going to talk about them one by one so that it will help you why you should go for affiliate marketing or why you should choose any other method that you want to get started. Like maybe the first option was like providing your services. I just wrote the FB ads, SEO, funnel design, everything in those brackets, but I didn't had any of those skills. And this was one of the I started learning Facebook ads if I want to provide service, but when I don't have experience I will not be able to deliver that thing. So I removed that thing. And sell your physical products, I didn't had any big physical products that can make me a full-time income, so I removed that option as well. And having your own product, maybe it could be anything, I'm just talking about digital here. So anything that can be, you have a course on something and you have a mastermind, you're giving mentorship or you're giving consulting to someone. So that product I didn't had, because in order to create your own product when you're just getting starting out and you don't have those skills like to deliver that, like let's say if I want to create a course, at least I need how to create a membership site, and how to make that video, and what to add in that content, and all other skills that you need. And in order to run a mastermind you need to be successful at some point. And these things also like started coming in my mind, and I removed these options. And drop shipping, I thought about it and then I gave up on this. And then came the affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, all I need to do was just focus on my marketing skills, because with affiliate marketing what happens, you don't have to create your own product, or you don't have to be in the fulfillment, you don't have to take care of the support thing, or maybe if the product is physical, like you don't have to take care of to talk to the suppliers, logistic, all other headache like that was not there. All you need to do is just focus on marketing, and all you need to do is just get people to buy that product with with your link, and you make certain amount of commission. That's the more practical and efficient way to get started. So this is what I thought when I got getting starting out, and I just went with affiliate marketing. Maybe you can make your own list and come to a conclusion with what method you want to get started with. So once you choose, like let's say you choose affiliate marketing, so this video is all about affiliate marketing. So then the next question came, choosing your product niche and product. I think I have spent months maybe in choosing my niche. Like with niche, like you need to choose something, people always told me you need to choose something that you're passionate about. And when I was getting starting out, like I was thinking I'll make a website about everything. I'll write about mobiles, I'll write about anything that came in my, I'll write about travel. That doesn't work that way, because I thought like writing about everything can rank and I can make more money. This doesn't work that way, because you need to narrow down your niche to a certain level, because like you want to target set of people, you don't want to target everybody. If you go broad, like let's say you created a blog post and you're writing all about health and niche, and all of a sudden you start writing about affiliate marketing, Google will not know. And maybe you built a huge following on Instagram, and that is related to health and niche, and again you start talking about affiliate marketing in the next video, people won't relate and they will just ignore you. And so you need to choose a certain group of people that is niche, and you need to create content around that. It's always important that you choose something that you're passionate about, because you will need to create content around that topic, and you need to build those solutions, how that product can help them solve their problem. So you need to choose your such a niche that you can talk about it hours, like you don't run out of your content very easily. And also it is important that you choose such a products that have high or moderate ticket or recurring commissions. Because let's say you chose something on Amazon, you signed up for Amazon Associates, and let's say you are selling something that is giving you like $1 commission, 1%, 2% commissions. So you're not gonna make full-time income, because in order to make $1,000, let's say you're getting $10 commission, I'm assuming, and in order to make 1,000 per month in commissions, you need to sell at least 100. So if you, let's say if you choose a high ticket product, like that is paying you for example $500 or $600 per sale, all you need to do is just make 2 sales for 1,000 and 20 sales for one or $10,000. So it takes a same amount of effort in order to sell the high ticket and the low ticket products. So it's always recommended that you go with the recurring commissions that pays you on a monthly basis, or a quarterly or annually, and or the high ticket products. So in this example, I'm going to choose something called as ClickFunnels or Bluehost. ClickFunnels I personally promote, and I use that product, and I know about that product, and this software is required for, I mean, any entrepreneur online, like in order to create sales funnel. And Bluehost is a hosting company. Every thing needs to be online. Every company or every business that needs to be online, they need a hosting, and Bluehost can provide that. ClickFunnels pays 40% commission, and Bluehost pays around $65 per sale. I think I'm considering these examples, and what actual next steps you need to take once you choose your niche and once you choose your product. You can make your own list and come up with your own product that you can create content around. And once you do that, you will need to create, and you will need to go to the next step, that is creating a sales funnel. So I hope you know what is a sales funnel is. If you don't know, sales funnel is a process where you take your visitor through different steps of your website pages. And you, I mean, like let's say you first you send them to opt-in page where you'll collect their email address. Then you take them to a product page where they will buy a product for $100. They again upsell them with a $50 product. If they don't buy, you will downsell them to another $20 product. That way you can take your visitor through different steps, that where you can make the most out of your website. That is called a sales funnel. And it is important in sales funnel. Everybody talks about every online business, I mean, who is already successful with online business, already talks about collecting leads. So in this method, I'll talk about sales funnel in order to promote a affiliate product, and also that will help them pre-educate about the product. What happens, like if you sign up for ClickFunnels affiliate and you get your affiliate link, you can't be just go and smashing that link on Facebook, Instagram, Quora, every other site. People will be annoyed and nobody will buy from you, and that is not how you build a long-term business. With sales funnel, what happens, first we will create such a page where first it will have an opt-in page, and then a thank you page, and there are value lessons and a sales page. What I meant by value lessons is, we are not directly telling people to buy ClickFunnels. What we are telling them is, like, we are giving them education about ClickFunnels, not exactly ClickFunnels, how you can use ClickFunnels in order to create sales funnels, and how sales funnel can help them business, like in order to increase more sales and every, I mean, at every step compared to traditional website. And we will create a value lessons, and first we will send them to opt-in page, we will collect their lead, then we will take them to a sales page, I mean thank you page. We will thank them, and you can send them to a Facebook group or any other action, call to action you can give them. And then we will send them to a value lessons where we will teach them about how to grow an online business with ClickFunnels. Or you can create, like if you are in a if I consider a Bluehost as a product here, like you will be creating content around like how to build a website. In order to build a website, you need Bluehost, and this is how you get it. And if you're promoting ClickFunnels, how to create sales funnel, how to create sales funnel for real estate industry, how to create sales funnel for network marketing industry. So you can create such lessons, and in the end, like in order to achieve that, you need this product you can recommend in the end in the sales page. That's how you are actually giving value to your customers. And and they are also happy that they know you now, they know you better. And when the chemistry is just right, you send them to a sales page. Okay, right now, if in order to create this you need this product or service, that's where you will put your affiliate link, and that's where the sale will happen. And also, once they go to the sales page, there is one more last step I wanted to talk about, that is create an irresistible offer. Let's say if somebody is promoting ClickFunnels and there are 1,000 others who are promoting ClickFunnels, you already gave them the value and the chemistry is just right, and there comes another person, like the buyer is now aware about the ClickFunnels, but the other person comes and, hey, I'm gonna give this extra to you if you want to, if you buy this from my link or something, then he beats that competition. So in order to make that, in the sales page, what you're going to do is you're creating an irresistible offer. What I meant by that is, it could be anything. For ClickFunnels, let's say, I mean, with ClickFunnels, I'm going to give you some of the done for you funnels for you if you choose from my link. That's what I'm telling people. Done for you funnel means you don't have to build your own funnels. All the ready-made funnels, you can just import it to your ClickFunnels account, and also you're going to get this extra trainings that will help you implement this. These are the extra things that you can offer to your people. What this will make is, it will make you different from the crowd, because you're giving something unique, and you're giving something that is more valuable than ClickFunnels. That is why people will beg you to buy from you. So that is how you will be different from the crowd. And once somebody comes on the sales page and, let's say, buy this product, also if you buy this within 24 hours, you're gonna get these bonuses absolutely free. With this kind of irresistible offer, what will happen is, people will be, I mean, take action immediately, and they will not wait for another day to come and buy that product. And also, if they don't buy, if you put a timer in the end, like, it will feel like they'll be missing something. They just don't want the product, they want these bonuses as well. So that kind of offer you need to create. So these are the strategies that I use for my business. What will happen, all you need to do is just create a simple opt-in page, thank you page, and whichever product that you have choose, just create some content around that product and pre-educate people, like how actually this product is going to help them. And in the end, create some bonuses that will make them take that action immediately. Once you complete this process, you will see the more results in your affiliate marketing business, and you can actually see the growth. Also, I just told you the strategy. If you want to learn step by step what all action you need to take, like technically, I have a free course in the link in the description. This is the free course created by my mentor Sebastian Gomez, where he will take you through how you can start your online business from scratch, and how you can implement how you can implement to become a super affiliate. So if you don't have a product already, or if you don't know what is email marketing, how to create a list, how to create sales funnel, and every other step is covered in this video. This is absolutely free, you don't have to pay anything. The link in the description, you can go ahead and check that out. I hope you got value from this video, guys. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. See you on the next one. Thank you.